Imagine a life where understanding your body is just a tap away. Welcome to BioKissed Wellness, your personal health guide. With BioKissed Wellness, gain 10 key insights about your body, tailored nourishing recipes, and lifestyle tips designed just for you. It's all about enhancing your well-being. Our easy-to-use BioKissed strips provide real-time insights into your wellness. Just dip, scan, and let the app do the rest. In 60 seconds, you'll have a complete analysis right on your phone. Receive instant, FDA-approved results and personalized advice, helping you make informed choices about your health. Delve into compelling wellness articles, track your progress, and stay motivated on your journey to a healthier you. BioKissed Wellness makes it easy and fun to stay on top of your health goals. Start your wellness journey today with BioKissed by your side. Unlock a world of personalized health insights because your health deserves the best. Download the app now. Join the BioKissed community and start living your healthiest life today. For more information, visit our website or follow us on social media. BioKissed Wellness, your partner in health.